How to sign into your Heartland Bank account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your Heartland Bank account online. So if you are using application that is Heartland, you can easily download from the Play Store and simply log in via the application. In this case, since I am showing you from online, so just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Heartland Digital, and it will show you the first option, that is Heartland Digital Login. So you can just tap on that. So once you tap on the first link, it will show you a login screen where you will simply have to enter your user ID, that is your registered user ID, as well as your password. So make sure all of your details are correct, and once you do all of that, you just click on login button over here to successfully log in to your Heartland Bank account online. So if you ever forget your user ID or password, you can just tap on this forget user ID or password to successfully reset it from their website. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.